how to construct a perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. Consider a given line segment AB. Take a compass and put one end of the compass on point A. Take a distance which is more than half of line AB and draw arcs above and below line AB. Similarly, by considering the same distance, draw arcs above and below line AB from point B. Now, mark the points of intersection of the arcs, which we have drawn. Join these 2 points by drawing a straight line passing through these points. Let the straight line be called as line L. Now, we can see that line L is perpendicular bisector of line AB at point M, and AM is equal to BM. Now we know how to construct a perpendicular bisector of a given line segment.